What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to show you a review of the Top Dog's Rotator and how you can get free leads using this free link rotator. Now, Top Dog's Rotator is a link that you can use that can rotate through all your affiliate sites that you can have to embed into that one link. So, I use this on plenty of opportunities and plenty of biz ops that I have and that I promote. And this helped me out tremendously because I could be able to get free traffic just by promoting this particular link into different traffic exchanges. And, I have many traffic exchanges that I'm a part of, but this traffic, this Top Dog Rotator helps me to be able to show in different areas of traffic exchanges. What is traffic exchange? That's when you can be able to view other people's website, and in return they can review yours by receiving and getting credits. So this is the back office of Top Dog's Rotator, and I'm going to show you the different features that this free rotate link rotator have. Now, you could start off as a free member to start getting traffic to your leads by going to add Rotator Sites, and this is where you could be able to add whatever link that you want, and you could also be able to assign how many points. This shows you the points that you get once you you get inside. Now, you won't have this many. This is when if you decide to upgrade to one of the one-time packages. This right here will be your link rotator. You can use this to promote on various traffic exchanges, or if you decide to do any type of free traffic where a lot of leads could click on that link, they'll see a different opportunity each time. So however many that you have embedded into this link, they will randomly see these different opportunities. So this was very powerful with this link rotator. Okay, so I got a whole bunch of sites that I'm promoting. I got a lot of things that I like to get exposure to, and you as well can do the same thing. I'm gonna show you how you can get it get started. So you're gonna click on Add Sites Rotator here, and this is how you can use the Top Dog Rotator so you can be able to get that traffic. Let's say you got a site. I could say HTTP. Let's say myleads.com. Now this is just something I'm making up just to show you reference, and you could just choose like how many credits is optional. All right, so you're gonna hit Add Website. Once you do that, you're going to see it right here. Now, you can also put a little description if you choose, so people, when they come across that particular site, they'll see a description. You can add it right there. You can add points. You add your credits right here, or you can also remove them if you don't want those credits. And once you remove them, they go back and add back into what's left into your account. So that's pretty much how you use that to add the rotator. Now, this is if you want to upgrade. Now, the best thing about this is no monthly fees. So you don't have to worry about any type of monthly fees. You can pretty much read this description. This will let you know, everything that's linked to it. They also have various different traffic exchanges that you can connect with this, that you can use with Traffic Rotator. And these are the Top Dog packages. This is the packages that you can use. Now, for each pack, you will be receiving a certain amount of hits. You will receive monthly additional added for life. So you'll be getting these type of credits for life. So as long as you a Top Dog member and you have an account up, you'll be receiving these for life. You could actually buy any one of these 3 packages, depending on how much you want to promote. You could also receive 30, like with the first package, you see 30% commissions, 10% on the second level commissions, 3% with the hits, the packets, and signups to buy even repeatedly. 1 million package equals 30,000 hits each time. So this is very powerful, guys. And you also can choose which, how you want to get paid. You can be paid from Zelle, Skrill, Venmo, Coinbase, Uphold, Coin Payments, etc. But this is what you can use if you want to be able to get more each month. You can pay that one-time fee, and you can be able to get these leads for life. You get these credits for life that's added to your account. So I'm gonna move along. Now these are micro ads right here. This is micro ads. You can add your own micro ads. Now micro ads is basically text ads. These are text ads that will be shown throughout Top Dog's Rotator Sites. So when people start logging in, they can see your site. In order for them to receive credits, they must see your site. And when they click on your site, you also can receive credits as well. So that's very powerful. So you see right here, these are micro ads. You see various people posting their text ads right here. So if you click there and you stay on the site for a certain amount of seconds, you'll be able to get extra hits. So you see the timer going down, and you get those types of hits that's coming to your site. So that's very, very powerful. Okay, moving along to how you can earn hits. You earn hits, same thing, just by clicking the micro ads that's already showing. This shows your earnings right here. So this tells you the method of payments that you can get paid for them. You can also add banners. As you can see, I have banners. Now this is totally optional. I got different types of banners that I'm a part of. I believe you get at least like 15 banner ads that you can be able to upload into your traffic, into the traffic Top Dog's Rotator. But you have to buy that a one-time fee, $25 in order to add banner ads. And you can see right here, you can get a bundle one time, $25. So this is a big business in the box that you can use. Now there are many other rotators, free link rotators that you can use, but Top Dogs by far is one of my #1 link rotators, because I could be able to promote this link, this one link that I have. As you can see right here, I could promote that one link to different traffic exchanges, and those different traffic exchanges, people gonna be looking at those, and as that goes, I'm gonna be getting credits. I could be getting credits on autopilot using this. So this is what makes this very, very valuable to your marketing, especially if you got a lot of traffic links that you want to promote. You don't want to be flooding your every page with links everywhere and looking all sloppy. So if you want to have everything in one link, you can use the Top Dog's Rotator to be able to get traffic, and you get these free leads. So that can be able to work in the background while you're working on other things. So it's basically a big, huge time saver. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you. If you want to get started with me with the Top Dog's Rotator, the link in the description will be below. I also have other little affiliate programs that I'm a part of. Y'all can also check that out. And be sure to hit this like and subscribe to this channel if this video done some good to you. And if you have any comments, leave your comments in the comment section, and I will basically get back in touch with you. You can hit me up on social media if you have any questions concerning this particular website or this particular opportunity, or if you have any other questions for any other opportunities that I promote. You can hit me up on Facebook, and I definitely will reply back to you. All right. So that's all I have for you today. This is 𝗖cie with Astro. I'll see you guys in the next video.